Hey everyone, thank you so much for being here today. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. Today is Tip Tuesday. Every Tuesday, as long as I have content, I will bring you a short little video with a tip for making your wig wearing experience better, more fruitful, bringing some great ideas. So this Tuesday, I am here to tell you what my #1 favorite all-time accessory is to wear with wigs, and one of my best tips ever, and that is claw clips. Claw clips are these little, I'm gonna try to show you these in many different ways, but they're these little clips, claw clips. They come in all different sizes, from the teeniest mini clip to giant clips that can put big thick hair up in the back. And I am a huge fan of claw clips. Right now I am wearing Tressallure Charlotte. This is in the color Dark Amber HL, and I do have a review of Charlotte, and I have her on with a few strategically placed clips to tame down some of her beautiful curl and volume. So I have one clip right here. This is one of the minis. And then I have 2 mini clips right over here. And with Charlotte being a basic cap, I can just clip the hair right into the wefting, and it keeps it secure all day long through any condition, including super windy days, and it will not move. And you cannot see the wefts. I want to try to get in here. You cannot see the wefting when you do this. If you do it correctly, you can do it without showing the wefting. So let me just show you my clip stash. I have this cute little drawer thing I bought at the Dollar Tree for $1, and look at that. All of these clips, every color you can imagine, every size you can imagine. I also have a bigger drawer in a different container full of the super large clips. And so I just want to encourage you guys to get some accessories, get some claw clips, and start playing with how you can use them to style your wigs. You can use it to tame poof. I have a video I did on how to tame poof. It was a Tip Tuesday video. I have videos where I show clips and styling sections of my videos. I think this is such an important tip that it's worth it to me to have this actually on multiple Tuesdays. And so while I did a deep poofing video using clips, I just want to remind you guys that clips are really useful. So this is going to be one of the shorter Tip Tuesdays that I have out there, but I think it's worth repeating. Claw clips. I will link a bunch of the ones that I've purchased on Amazon, but you can get them at CVS, Walgreens, Target, Walmart, any place that you go buy your health and beauty items, you can get little claw clips. They're just fantastic, and I think you should have a whole bunch. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have questions or suggestions for Tip Tuesday. I'll talk to you guys soon.